What's up YouTube, Jeff Beck again from DopeTechDaily.com. Today I'm bringing you guys a video to follow up on one that I made about a week ago, and it's about getting the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL portrait mode on other phones. Now, about a week ago I made a video showing how to get the Pixel 2 portrait mode on your original Pixel, Pixel XL, a Nexus 6P, or your Nexus 5X, but it turns out that since then there have become other modified Google Camera APKs that have come out that allow you to get the same Google portrait mode that you would see on the Pixel 2 on other devices. Most importantly, the Galaxy S8, the Galaxy Note 8, and I've been playing around with that a bit, and I did a little bit of analysis and review of how it compares to the Pixel 2 mode. So I wanted to tell you really quick how you can install it on your own phone, and then also give you just a quick comparison of what I've noticed. So first of all, I wrote a long article about this over at GadgetHacks.com. I encourage you guys to follow me over there. I'll drop the link below to the article that talks about how to get the Pixel 2 portrait mode on your Galaxy S8 or your Galaxy Note 8. Pretty simple steps. All you got to do is first install the Android Oreo beta for the Galaxy S8, and I have full instructions on how to do that there. I'm running the latest Galaxy S8 Android Oreo beta on this device, and you do need to be running Oreo in order to install this particular modified Google Camera APK. The next thing is you can go ahead and download the APK, which I have right there. It is going to ask you if you want to install from unknown sources. Go ahead and just allow that, and then you can install the APK. It is safe. I've scanned it. It also was posted over on XDA, and this is due to an XDA member, and I'll link all that below so you guys can see the proper credit to the developer. I really appreciate his work. So I did also a little comparison between the Pixel 2 XL front portrait mode and the Galaxy Note 8 and Galaxy S8. This particular one is for the Galaxy Note 8. You can see there on the left I have the Pixel 2 XL on the front camera. On the right, the Note 8 with the front camera. This is the modified camera app portrait mode. You can see the Note 8 is actually a little bit brighter. I think the bokeh is actually a little bit better on the Pixel 2 XL, and it does look a little bit softer on the Galaxy Note 8 around the edges, but it does work pretty well. It's pretty impressive. It's hard to tell a vast difference between the two in terms of edge detection. And then I also took a rear camera shot because this particular APK does work with both the front and rear camera. This one from my mom, you can see that you have the Pixel 2 XL again on the left and the Note 8 on the right. So I will drop a link to a Google Photos album below that has both of these so you guys can check them out. I have some other comparison shots I took. Some of them are with the Galaxy S8. This hilarious shot here I took with the rear camera. I couldn't see where I was aiming because I was taking the shot myself. And then a couple of other front-facing portrait shots I took with the Galaxy S8. So I will link this Photos album below if you guys want to compare these and check them out for yourself. And I'll also link the Gadget Hacks post if you want to install the APK yourself. Now this is for the Snapdragon version of the Galaxy S8 and the Galaxy Note 8. But if you do have the Exynos version, you can also download an APK that will work and get you the Pixel 2 portrait mode on your Exynos Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, or Galaxy Note 8. And I'll also throw that APK below. I do believe that the Exynos version might only work on the rear camera for the time being, but this one right here that I'm going to give you guys for the Snapdragon variant, it's working great on the front and the rear camera as long as you're on the Android Oreo beta, so you can go ahead and install that and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, so that's just a quick look and a quick little review. It's pretty impressive that they've been able to port the Pixel 2 portrait mode, which is really amazing, to the Galaxy S8 and the Galaxy Note 8 and a bunch of other Android devices. There are a lot of different Google Camera modified APKs depending on your particular device. You can check out XDA if you don't have a Samsung device. There's a lot of other ones out there for various Android phones. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. You can also comment and subscribe. Hit that notification icon so I can make future videos like this. Find me at DopeTechDaily.com, Google+, Instagram, and Twitter at the links in the description. You can also find me writing again at GadgetHacks.com where I'm covering Android every single day. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.